Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another edition of Minute to Win It, and I am pretty sure this is week 32, edition 32. And for this week, I am going to kind of do a repeat of what we did before in the past for a Minute to Win It competition, and it's going to be the push-ups and sit-ups for 60 seconds because it's already May 2nd. Well, it's actually Sunday today. I'm making this for Wednesday, and it's May 2nd, and we don't have that much time left of school. So we're going to be doing my physical fitness testing, like push-ups, sit-ups. We'll have scholars at home, maybe try to run a mile or 10 minutes, and tests like that to test your physical fitness. So that's why I want to come back to this one and do it again. So see how many push-ups you can do in a minute and how many sit-ups you can do in a minute. Now for the push-ups, you want your back to be flat and you don't want your butt raised up or your hips sagging down. And as far as your arms, you don't have to be up and out like this when you're doing the push-ups. Tuck your elbows in a little bit. So while you're doing your push-up, you're going to go down and up, down and up. So you want your arms bent at 90 degrees when you go down. So your chest and face comes fairly close to the ground, and then go back up. Try not to let your body touch the ground at all in that 60 seconds. Just try to keep going. And for the test, to test your physical fitness in Phy Ed class, we want you to do it from your toes. But for this Minute to Win It competition, so you can practice and gain stronger upper body strength, try from your toes. And if you just can't do anymore, drop to your knees, as long as you keep that nice flat back still when you're going down and up. Or worst case scenario, if you can't make it the 60 seconds doing any push-ups, just try to hold the top push-up position, because you'll still be engaging your chest muscles and also your whole core muscle, and it'll still benefit you. So see how many push-ups you can do in a minute. And then the second one would be sit-ups. And for the sit-ups, I would like you to bend your legs, feet on the ground, legs are bent, and you're going to go all the way back with your arms crossed over your chest. And you're going to come all the way up and touch your elbows to your thighs, and then go all the way down so your shoulders are touching the ground. And all the way up. And if you don't tuck your feet underneath the couch or have one of your family members hold your feet, lots of times I learned recently that when someone holds your feet or you tuck your toes underneath the couch, you engage some of your hip flexor muscles, which takes away from your abs. So if you don't have anyone, I mean, you can still stick your feet underneath the couch or have someone hold your feet. That's fine, 100% fine. But if you don't have anyone, try to dig your heels into the ground so you engage your hamstrings a little more and not your hip flexors. So then there'll be more ab muscles that are working and your hip flexors won't be taken away from it. So that's the two tests we'd like you to do for a Minute to Win It. Try to get the full 60 seconds. Push-ups, 60 seconds, as many as you can from your toes. If you can't finish and you still have time left in the minute, hold that top push-up position until the timer goes off, or drop to your knees. Keep pounding out some more push-ups. And for the sit-ups, guys, like I said, tuck your feet underneath the couch or something in your house, or have a family member hold your feet. Or if you don't have anyone to do that, just dig your heels into the ground and get after it. 60 seconds, guys, 2 of them. Like I said, this is just practice because in a couple weeks, we'll be sending out a video for you scholars that are doing distance learning. And then on-campus scholars will be doing it on campus, but we will actually be doing this for a test for 60 seconds or 1 minute at school for physical education. Hope you guys have fun with this one. And until next time, scholars, have a great week.